we start out with hamburger helper, 1 pound of chopped meat, skillet, stirrer, and a big measuring cup. Brown the chopped meat in the skillet on medium heat. Be very careful to wash your hands after touching any uncooked meat. Can you say E. coli? Brown the chopped meat by stirring occasionally. Carefully drain the chopped meat. Ow, 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 ow! Using a pot holder, carefully drain the grease. Cat'll get it. Mix 3 1/4 cups hot water. Into the skillet with chopped meat. Mix the pasta. And sauce in the skillet. Along with the hot water. And mix thoroughly.
All right.
Bring slowly to a boil. Lower heat and cook for 14 minutes. And there you have it. Serve generous helpings to your favorite guests.
A meal fit for a king. Here, king. Here, king.